Rose 啊。 watching till the end. I see you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.